So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are well and hope you all are doing great. So today I want to show you guys my B&M and studio haul. Yeah, so these items are just, they're just in my hallway and I haven't unboxed them yet. So I just wanted to show you guys like the few items that I got from B&M and studio. So the first item I have here is this picnic table for kids. So this one is going to go to my garden. I thought I should just get the kids this kind of picnic table, so whenever they play outside in the back garden, they can sit down on this picnic table, have some snacks on it, and just have a bit of fun on there. The next item I have for my garden is this one. This place is quite tight. Forgive me guys, this is how tight this place is, so I'm just trying to squeeze in to show you guys everything. So I've got this hammock. This is how it looks. So this is the hammock that I got from I think I got this one from B&M. Yes, I got this from B&M, and this one I got it from studio.co.uk. This one I got it from B&M, and it was originally £60, but they gave me 10% off, so I think I paid about £54 or something like that. Yeah, but it's such a lovely hammock and it's black, plain black. I can't wait to set this up in my garden, and it swings, so it will be very relaxing. And then the next one I have, okay, so the next item I have is this one. This is for kids. It's a swing and a glider, more like a seesaw kind of glider. So over here the kids can glide and do like a seesaw move on there, and then over here they can swing. I'm going to set this up very soon, so this will also be going to my garden, and this one is suitable for kids ages 3 to 8 years. This looks like fun. The kids are really excited to have this one. Okay, and then the last one I have from my studio haul is this one. So this is just a shoe storage. I plan to change my current shoe storage and replace it with this one, so I will show you guys in a separate video how that works. So yeah, so these are the items I got from B&M and studio. When I set it up, I will show you guys how it all turned out to be. Today I just wanted to show you guys a quick IKEA haul. These are just a few items that I got from IKEA, but I thought, you know what, I should just show you guys my quick IKEA haul. It's just to top up a few items really. So I needed beddings for the kids, and I got this one for Milan's bed. This is just a pillow, but it looks really cute, and IKEA is in the sale right now. So this was I really can't remember the price of this, but it was down to £7, so I thought I should grab it. This one is the duvet set. So this one is the duvet and pillow, and it kind of matches this pillow as well, so it was a good deal and I decided to grab it as well. This one I got for Nina. So this one is going to Nina's bed, and it's just a cute lion. Yeah, they had this cute deal as well on this one. And I got a spray bottle as well. I thought I needed a spray bottle, so I got this spray bottle. It looks cute, and the color is really nice and fancy. Then I got this one. So this is just a set of plates for kids. I love the pastel colors. It has this mint green, light yellow, pink, grey, sky blue. Just a lovely color set of plates. I got it for the kids. This one for breakfast, I just got this muesli with dried berries, and I thought I should try that one. I've never had it, the ones from IKEA, but I just thought I should have this one. Then I got some new cushion covers for my cushions. I just got two, so they kind of look alike, but they've got these buttons on them, and I think they would look nice. So the next item I have here is this towel. So I bought 2 towels for the kids, and it's this kind of hooded towel that, you know, the kids can wrap themselves in the towel. So I got 2 of them, one for Nina and one for Milan. Yeah, over here I've got the Mammoth seat. I don't know if you guys can remember a time when I did a Mammoth unboxing for you guys. Yeah, so I got the Mammoth seat again and the Mammoth table this time. And the table they use now to eat on, it kind of has holes on it, and the holes was just, the table was just looking like a mess. So I had to get the Mammoth table as well. I'll pretty much show you guys when I set it all up for you guys to see how it looks. But it's just the Mammoth table and chair, and these are the legs for the Mammoth table. So I've just set up the kids table. So this is the Mammoth table and the Mammoth chairs. The kids really like it. This will be their new eating corner, and yeah, it looks good. Let me just have a closer look. I'll show you guys a closer look. So this is pretty much how it looks. They've got their table mat with their names on there, so they know it's theirs, like their side of the table. And they can do their homework on here, lessons, they can eat here. It's so much better than the other table that they had. The other table had holes. You know, when tables start having holes on the top, you know it's time to change them. What do you guys think about it?
I like it!
You've just had an upgraded dining area. I remember when you guys did the other video, remember? The other one, the Mammoth video.
Yeah.
I think I will link it down below in the description for them to see. Milan was a baby then, wasn't he? Was he?
I think he was 2 years old.
He was 2 years old, yeah.
I think I've been...
No, you were not in the egg, don't worry.
I think I've been upstairs that day.
Now you're 4. And now you have a new table. They really like it. And can you show them your new plates as well?
This
So
one.
who's on that one?
Me.
Okay, Nina has the pink one.
And the yellow one.
And the yellow one.
And then it has the blue one.
Okay.
And the green one.
The green one. Wow, lovely. You guys are gonna have your meals on there, and it will be nice and clean. And make sure you guys, okay Nina, I put you and Milan in charge of your dining area. Once you finish eating, what do?
Clean it.
You clean it. Good.
Oh.
Right, so let's thank everyone for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Okay, what else are you gonna say?
Subscribe and comment down below.
Okay, Milan, what are you gonna say?
Thumbs up. Come back.
Thumbs up and comment down below. Okay, till next time, bye.
Bye.
Peace
out.
Nina and Milan. And are you gonna show them your beddings as well?
This is my one, and it has lions on it. And yellow lions. And this one is my... So this is Chloe's one. It has rain on it and some birds at the back.
Nice. And how about this one?
Ooh, yeah.
Milan, you want to talk about it as well?
A pillow. Yeah. It's a pillow with some bears and some rain again.
How about this one? You want to show them this one?
And these are some pillowcases that are going to be my mummy and daddy's room.
Good. Well done.
Beep, beep, beep.
So thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.
Bye.